Hindi alam.
Yo, yo, yo! Alright, we're at it again with this unboxing VCA stone. Or I don't
Well,
even know
let's
what it is.
see.
Huh?
Let's see which one it is.
Which one is this one? Alright,
I
well.
don't remember.
Huh?
So this is the certificate, care, instruction.
Ikaw na te, ikaw na.
So they know.
Alright, so look at this bow.
I love opening that bow.
How'd you know it's not my hands? Alright, so spell Van Cleef and Arpels. Huh?
Oh, that's Mama's name, Van.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, see, that's why you're like attracted to it. That's your mom's
Look
name.
at that nice. Ooh,
it's a black one.
Onyx.
Onyx? How'd you know it's onyx?
It's one of the hardest stones because it's black.
Huh?
Onyx.
Yeah, that really tells me things about black stones.
Well, it's in the receipt. It's onyx. If you want to argue which stone it is.
So yeah, check it out. Look nice. Are these handmade?
Maybe in the future we'll give you a review about how it holds up.
Is this handmade though?
Yeah, this is handmade. It's one of the only jewelers that still make their jewelries by hand.
Wow. They use tools, right?
No, they just buy it as the gold.
You said handmade. It's
Handmade.
Fine. Alright.
I guess handmade with tools.
And here goes the certificate. Psych! Oh, hold on. Psych! There. Alright, bye.